Wow, rainy day, my dear friend. Whoever is watching this video, ooh. Actually, this is a countryside of Switzerland. By the way, here I'm showing you nice rain in countryside in Switzerland. Look, totally fog. Oh my god, so beautiful. I really love fog, you know. I really like this kind of weather actually. Although I am sweating. Sorry, I am. I got wet. I'm getting wet. So you see, autumn is slowly coming. So yeah, we have to catch the bus from here to Flu. From there I have to take the tram to Basel, but actually some works are going on, so I have to take again another bus from there, so I will be reaching more later than usual. Look, very nice flower there. So this is how it looks when it's rain in Switzerland. I just really like, look, this is very, I get wet, you see. Otherwise we could go a little far and take that fog. Oh my god, getting wet and wet and wet. So actually in Basel where I live, I don't think it will be raining like this. So my friend, this vlog is from Switzerland and a rainy day, this October 1st 2024 actually. Look. So now we have got some space to stay, so we have got some break. Look, nice flowers, nice rain. You can see this roof is very special. This kind of tiles in India we make like this, so it will keep in India it's good for the weather, for the heat, but here obviously weather is not so hot even in summer, so I don't know why they do that. So my friend who is watching this video, so here is one cigarette is there. I think he wants to smoke again. Oh my god, what a strong smell. So we have to wait for the bus. Bus will be coming like 5:35. Then, so here you can see some statue of Virgin Mariam, I think, and Jesus Christ. Okay, so there also something like as I'm they're also selling some candles. I'm from Kerala, India, basically, so we have got many Christians there. Around 20% of oh my god, they're going to make this more shorter, which means I'm going to hello, I'm going to get a little bit wet, maybe, I don't know. Anyway, so if I had some umbrella, I would have walked and recorded a bit more actually. So my friend, if you like this more natural video, give a like. Give a like and also subscribe, okay?